Jai Srimanarayana. 22nd sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yam labdva cha aparam labham manyate na adhikam tataha yasmin sthito na dukkhena gurunapi vichalyate. Om. Your mind should start considering that there is no greater gain than spiritual knowledge, Atma Dhyanam. Once your mind is established in Atma Dhyanam, you will not be moved even by the heaviest sorrow. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall start considering that there is no greater gain than spiritual knowledge, Atma Dhyanam. I will try to be established in Atma Dhyanam. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensual enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "Oh Parikshit Narendra, Shrutasrava's son is Sisupala, and Vasudeva's other brother Devabhaga gave birth to Chitraketu Bruhadbala. Vasudeva's other brother Devasrava married to Kamsavati and gave birth to Suvira Ishumana. Then Kankuni gave birth to Satyajittu, Purujittu, Baka, and then Srunjaya Raju through Rashtrapalika gave birth to Vrusha Durmarshana. Syamaka gave birth to Harikesha Hiranyaksha through Surabhumi. Then Vatsaka gave birth to Vruka and other sons through Mishrakesi. And Vruka through his wife Durvakshi gave birth to Taksha, Pushkara, Sala. And Samika's wife is Sudamani. They gave birth to Sumitra, Arjunapala. Anaka's wife is Karnika. They gave birth to Rutadhama, Jaya. And Pauravi, Devaki, Rohini, Bhadra, Madira, Rochana, Ila. All of them are Vasudeva's wives. Out of them, Devaki is main. And Balam, Gadam, Saranancha, Durmadam, Vipulam, Dhruvam. Vasudeva's wife, another wife, Rohini. They gave birth to Bala, Gada, Sarana, Durmada, Vipula, Dhruva, Kruta. Like that Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 22nd sloka. Yam labdhva chaparam labham manyate nadhikam tataha yasmin sthito na dukkhena gurunapi vichalyate. Yam labdhva chaparam labham manyate nadhikam tataha yasmin sthito na dukkhena gurunapi vichalyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.